ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಅಥವಾ 1 ದಿನ 2 ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು 1-2-3 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿದಿರ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಥವಾ 3 ನಿಮಿಷ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಥವಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಅಂತಹ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ 2 ಪದಗಳು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಇವುಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಫಿನ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಕಾಫಿ ವಾಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Hello friends, learn today how to use past continuous time passive voice. Friends, it is used to speak about the actions that were done, means that were continued for a period of time for a few minutes in the past. Friends, it is very easy friends. Learn now how to make sentence. For positive sentence use your I or he or she or it for any one thing, then use your singular name, then use your was. Friends, I have already told you, for any continuous passive voice you must use your being with helping verb, then use your past participle verb, then add verb. Next formula, use your you or we or they or plural form, plural name, then use your verb, then again use your friends being, plus use your past participle verb, then add verb. Friends, active voice. I was reading newspaper there. Friends, now to change this into passive voice, first identify which is the object. Which is the object, friends? You got? Newspaper, it is your object. Right here. Newspaper. Friends, now it is subject now. There are two formulas, was formula and verb formula. Which is suitable now? Now was formula, because newspaper is a singular noun. This one is here. So right, use this formula. Newspaper was being, then past participle of reading is read. Being read by. Friends, now it is subject of active voice. Now it will become object of the passive voice. What is the object pronoun? By me. Friends, now let us learn how to speak using passive voice. Friends, spoken passive voice. Newspaper was being read. See here, I was reading newspaper means ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. Friends, active voice. I was folding dresses there. Friends, in this sentence, which is object? Dresses, friends. So use it as subject. Dresses. Friends, now there are two formulas, was formula and verb formula. Which is suitable to this? verb formula because dresses is plural noun. This one. So we have to use a verb formula. Dresses were, then being, then past participle. What is the past participle of folding? Folded. Folded by me. Friends, we can write like this mostly in exams. But now we don't speak like this. We speak like this. Dresses were being folded. Friends, active voice I was folding dresses means ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. But spoken passive voice dresses were being folded means ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. Friends, learn now negative sentence formation. It is very easy, friends. Use not between helping verbs and being word. Was not being, then were not being. That's all. For example, friends, you watched. I was not tearing paper. I was just reading newspaper. I was not tearing newspaper, friends. Now, friends, to change it into passive voice, now identify the object of the sentence. Friends, here newspaper is object. Now write it as subject. Newspaper. Friends, now there are two formulas, was and were formula. To newspaper, was formula is suitable because it is singular noun. Right here, newspaper was, then is not, then being torn by me. Now let us learn how we speak in passive voice. Right now, newspaper was not being torn means, friends, see this, I was not tearing newspaper means ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಟೋರ್ನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಹರಿತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಯು ವಾಶ್ಡ್ ಮಿ ದೇರ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ironing dresses, friends. Now, friends, object word is here dresses, so use your dresses. Then were not is used here because dresses is plural form, so use your were not. Dresses were not being ironed by me. But spoken passive voice, dresses were not being ironed means here I was not ironing dresses means ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಐರನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾನು ಇಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟಿ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇ ಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ yesterday or some time ago continuously. Say them in direct passive voice. Don't change like this. Only it works only in exams. Now say to your partner and listen by your partner also. Practice more. Friends, learn now positive yes or no question. Friends, I have already said you many times. To make yes or no question, first you have to use your helping verb of the sentence or be form of the sentence. Now, was is here helping verb. Use it first. Then use subjects I or he or she or it, any one thing. Then use your singular noun. Then use your being. Then past participle verb. Then question mark. For example, was tiffin being eaten in the morning in your house? You have to answer. If it is yes, say here, yes, it was. Friends, it means here tiffin. Instead of name, pronoun is used here. Next question. Was the newspaper being torn? No. No, it was not. Friends, it means here newspaper. Next, friends. Was I being watched on your TV yesterday? I don't know, you have to say that. Next question, friends. Was your head being combed in the morning? I think yes, it was. Friends, now pause your TV. Using these subject words, I or he or she or it or any name, ask question each other with your partner. Ask more, practice more. Friends, one more positive yes or no question formula. First use your word, then use your you or we or they or your plural form name. Then use your being, friends. Then use your past participle verb. Then use your adverb, means time. Then question mark. For examples, friends, were you being advised yesterday? Means ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. Answer. Next question, were clothes being torn then there? No, they were not. Friends, now pause your TV and question your spoken English partner. If you don't understand, rewind again and watch again, understand. Ask many questions, practice. Friends, learn now negative yes or no question. Friends, it is very easy. Just add not between subject and being. Here also not between subjects and being. Friends, for example, was tea not being drunk some time ago in your house? You have to answer. If it is yes, yes, it was. The answer is no. Say no, it was not. Friends, next example. Were you not being scolded? Means ನೀವು ಬೈಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ? Answer. Next question. Was the God not being prayed in the morning? ದೇವರನ್ನ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ? Friends, now pause your TV. Ask your partner many questions and practice. Friends, information question. In passive voice, mostly by whom is used. First use here by whom to know about the action done by. by whom, then was, then I or he or she or it or singular name, then being, then past participle verb, then adverb plus a question mark. One more formula. Here also use by whom. By whom means yarinda. Then use your were. Then use your you or we, they. Then use your plural form of the name. Then use your being, then past participle verb, then adverb plus a question mark. Friends, by whom were the hands being washed? Next question. By whom were tomatoes being chopped? Answer. By whom was biscuit being eaten? Answer. Friends, see here, were is used at two places, was is used here, because were where there is plural name, plural form. Hands means two hands, tomatoes plural, so we have to use here were. Biscuit only one singular, so we have to use here was. Friends, now pause your TV and ask your partner about the actions which were done in your house by your mother, by your father. So many activities were done. Ask about them.